can just check that the controls are working.
Here for the first time viewers is a drone being controlled by Steve. There he is. And this is amazing. It's the first time in my life I've ever seen a drone. It's got a shadow on the ground so you can tell where the sun is, and it's just Steve just said it's controlled by 12 satellites, which is phenomenal. You know, we didn't have drones when I used to work on building sites. It would be how the boss used to talk. He used to drone on, that sort of thing. And the idea is actually that Steve's going to film from the drone in the valley where they've been doing, or the cutting I should say, which is down there, the other side of the Bailey Bridge, where they have been removing most of the soil slash spoil slash chalk, ready to extend, ultimately to extend the tunnel, which depends on that being removed. So while I'm filming, I want to show you this Tardis, which has mysteriously appeared somehow at the Wendover HS2 building site. And here it is. It does weigh 6 million tons, but with great strength I can pick it up and put it back down again. That's because the weight is far bigger on the outside than it is on the inside, the outside being a different dimension. Thank you very much for watching. It's a beautiful day. If ever you want to see how HS2 is going, you could do worse than come here. That is Mr. Aquarius, the water carrier. He's taking much needed beer to the rest of the troops. That's a joke. If only it were true, then the vehicles would drive a little bit more interestingly. But there you go. It does look a little bit leveler, and here comes the chap with his levelling machine, otherwise known as a bulldozer, and he's going forwards, I think, because it's not beeping. That's strange. Or maybe he's turned the beep off. But since we got here, there's been a marked increase in activity, and I can only think that the HS2 labourers, workers, engineers, orange suited chaps are so delighted to have an audience, they've all come out and started working. Although I think that's possibly my wishful thinking. Thanks a lot for watching. Peter the Rock. It's Friday the 25th of July around about noon-ish. Cheers.